Dear children, in this class we will learn a new lesson from Unit 2 of the textbook. The name of the lesson is Speak the Truth. Before we begin, let me bring up a simple question. Is it important to speak the truth all the time? Children, we will find answer to this question at the end of this lesson. Okay? Now let me read the first two paragraphs. Santosh was a student of class 4. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 pm. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. One day, Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin, Sandhya. She had come to play with him. Children, in this lesson, we learn about a boy named Santosh who is studying in class 4. He is very regular in completing his homework. He usually does his homework after eating his snacks in the evening. And we see that his cousin Sandhya has come to his house to play with him. Okay? Children, let us read the next two paragraphs. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day, his teacher asked him, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. Children, Santosh and Sandhya play happily and joyfully the entire evening. Dear children, you also like to play, isn't it? Yes, children like to play with their friends. Santosh entirely forgets about his homework as he is busy playing with Sandhya. The next day, Santosh goes to school. The teacher asks about the homework. He is nervous now because he forgot to do the homework. Suddenly, he is struck with a bad idea. He lies to the teacher and says that he had fever the previous day. Oh, poor teacher believes his lie. Do you know why? Because Santosh is very regular in doing his homework. So she forgave him. For a moment, Santosh is happy that he escaped without doing any homework. Children, let us see what happens next. Now, Santosh felt very sad. During the lunch break, he sat alone under a tree. He did not eat his food. Suguna, Santosh's sister, was studying in the 7th standard in the same school. She saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. "Why are you not eating? You are looking dull." "What happened?" she asked. Children, we see here Santosh is not at all happy now. He feels sorry for the lie he has told his teacher. He is recalling his mistake. He couldn't eat his lunch. Yes, children, when we lie, we can't be happy. Same thing happens with Santosh also. Santosh has an elder sister. Her name is Suguna. She too is studying in the same school in the 7th standard. Okay. During lunch break, she observes that her brother is sitting all alone and is worried about something. He has not eaten his food also. She goes near him and inquires about it. Okay, children, I will read the next paragraph. Santosh kept quiet for some time and then started weeping. Suguna waited for her brother to speak. Slowly, Santosh started. Yesterday, I played with Sandhya and forgot to do my homework. But I lied to my teacher. Suguna listened to him patiently. Then she said, "Don't worry, get up. Let us go to your teacher. Admit your mistake before the teacher." Here we see that Santosh is hesitating to tell the truth to Suguna. He starts weeping. Suguna patiently waits for a while, then he slowly narrates the incident. She listens calmly, then she consoles him. She tells him to admit his mistake before the teacher and ask for forgiveness. She takes him to the teacher. Okay, children, I will read further. Both Santosh and Suguna went to the teacher. The teacher asked, "What do you want?" Suguna looked at Santosh. Tears rolled down his cheeks. The teacher asked Santosh, "What makes you weep?" Santosh replied, "Madam, I lied to you in the morning. I was not sick. I played the whole evening and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me." Children, both Suguna and Santosh go to the teacher. The teacher didn't know why they have come to her. She inquires them about it. Suguna signals Santosh to admit his mistake. Santosh, who is really upset, is weeping. Finally, he gathers all his courage and admits that he had lied in the morning. And now he is feeling very sorry for the mistake he did. Okay, children, let me read the last paragraph. The teacher felt very happy. She consoled him and said, "You have admitted your mistake and now you have told the truth. Being truthful is always good." Do you know what happens in the end? Let us see. The teacher is very happy. Teachers are generally ready to forgive their students if they admit their mistakes sincerely. Okay? This teacher also consoles Santosh and forgives his mistake as he has told the truth. Okay? Dear children, you all must follow the example of Santosh. Whenever you do some mistake, admit it and ask for forgiveness. Be truthful. Being truthful is always good. Thank you.